Hello viewer, this is our live application www.blockcoder.com. So this is the admin panel. So here admin panel, checking here how the Laravel log is working. So in our modern security application, to make our application more secure, we have added the multiple middle layers. That's for the security system. So check when the user hit like this is not found and this is not found, this is not found, automatically trigger the verification page. So when someone hit the 404 page, like this is a bot and hit the this is the file, so try to download our backup file. So when he hit the 404 font, automatically detected the challenge trigger the 404. So when a challenge trigger a IP, so this IP next any hit like 1000 hit to our server, automatically detected the verification page as unverified. So when you hit 1000 request, like check this IP, where is the IP, just copy this IP and check. So he hit multiple times, so he will check the request. So request this URL, check the URL. Is URL is a like a bot, so bot checking our server, this request automatically detected this challenge trigger as a unverified pre-existing routes. So automatically detected this is unverified and also show a verification page. Finally, our application automatically block this request like when he hit env. So we have put several words. So this word when he hit any URL, so automatically blocked, automatically suspicious, like this has been blocked. So when he request 1000 request, now he has been blocked, simple blocked. And check all request is the file base, so config file, docker, gecko. So this is our custom security guarantee that no one can hack your application. So this is the secure application, secure 100% secure, guarantee ensure that no one can hack your application. We have added this security for this Laravel application. Also your PHP site, you can convert in it any type of, for your 100% security. If you need your application, you can come the Laravel. So Laravel is, there is no need to your file based application, like Laravel is completely URL based application. So here your application is completely run in the URL, so we can stop any type, like this is my PHP application. When you hit the php.php, you will automatically get blocked from the Cloudflare. So this is the both the URL, Cloudflare URL and middleware rules. Both rules provide you 100% guarantee that no one can hack your application. Check my application. So this IP is 77 total request, automatically more than 50 request has been automatically blocked, automatic blocked. You do not need to manual server or manual way. Your application is run automatically 24 hours. So this is our automation system. If you need the 100% guarantee security and hacker insurity 100% secure application, you can contact me. Best of luck.